Okay. This is my new 8 kilowatt diesel heater from VEVOR. Let's unpack that. Okay, we got here the diesel heater, which is fairly packed, really good. And oh, what do we got here? I mean, this looks like probably most cars don't have this type of remote control. It looks pretty nice. Look at that. Really cool, right? It feels cheap, but it looks great. Previous versions used to look similar like that, a little bit more orange, and they run at 12 or 24 volts. Now this version, which is convenient, it has its own converter. So now you don't have any issues with getting your own converter or breakers or whatever. You have this all in one package, which is super nice. This is the tank of the fuel, up to 5 liters. Let's just open that real quick and see. Your typical heater, right? So I bought this from veevor.com, no affiliation, nothing. I bought this for my own money and it cost me about 105 euros. Do your math, it's about $100. So we got here some heat installed into the exhaust pipe as shown in the diagram. There's like a sleeve for the exhaust vents. I don't know what the heck that is. This is part of the exhaust. Aluminum tube. This is kind of interesting. A lot of screws. I hate it. So this goes here. That's fixing. Fixing what? Some hose clamps and screws and... I mean, okay. Wow, good quality. No side installation. That's the first thing that they are telling me. Ah, this is the air filter? So apparently this is the filter? One at a time. So basically, this is just... Is this extendable or I'm going to destroy it? I think it's like... Okay, that's the maximum. That goes up here. So apparently this goes here and then you can turn it and redirect the airflow, airstream. But... Oh, I mean, okay. Fair enough. Second one goes over here and then over that one. Great. Will it stay like that? Don't be so silly. So we have here, basically this one is for the exhaust, which is really strange because it doesn't fit on that. And you know why? Because, as you can see, or probably not, you see this? This will never fit on any pipe. Maybe that one, but it's like super circular, as you can see. I mean, you paid only $100. Put that thing up here. No way! Dude, maybe it was the longest screwdriver in the world. I can place that here and then it won't fit inside because it's too thick. Damn it! I'm already tired. Ow! Shit! Now that's in my skin. Get that thing out of my skin. Brother, that was in my skin. Shit! Now I'm bleeding. Oh. You need to be careful there. I'm wearing gloves, man. Next step is mounting this one here. No! Ah, okay, good. Sleeve, where's off? Sleeve. This will never escape. There anything else that I should consider before turning that thing on? Remote control, blah, blah, blah. 16 degrees, right down. And over 90% humidity. That's really bad, actually. Turn on. It's actually blowing like crazy, man. I don't like how loud it is. But it is what it is, right? Okay, now, you see that? Ah, it's really hot. Yeah. This one is. We are already at 17 degrees. Well, almost 120 now. But I'm pretty happy with the heater, mate. Yeah, I guess it works. The installation was a little bit tricky. I hurt my finger, but I mean, yeah. Maybe I'm too dumb to work with such a machine, heater, whatever. Some things that I need to mention. The first thing is, it's really a powerful heater. I can already stay in the workshop without wearing a jacket or anything. And now it's getting 17 and even more. I have to check the temperature. It smells a little bit like plastic. Probably the hose, I need to change that. And also I will, in the future, place a hose all over the workshop, like coming one. I mean, I want it actually to blow one in this area and one in this area, which is, yeah, the point of heating the whole thing, because I guess heating up this area behind the camera is not going to affect here anything. Overall, for $100, 100 and maybe 150, because I bought the canister with the diesel and the fuel, 20 liters, about 150 altogether, which is honestly not too bad. Now, considering how much I used to heat in my older workshop with my electric heater, I got 2 of those, and in one day, I would have used up 20 kilowatts. in one day. That's a lot. Now, I hope that this heater would save me a lot of money because it's actually more efficient. Yeah. With that being said, we want to save money. We want to build stuff without wasting a lot of money. And unfortunately, I don't have a workshop where there's any heating, but it's better than the old one. The old one, I used to have like 6 degrees or something in the winter. Gonna see how cold it's going to be here. So I guess that it will be about 10 degrees in the winter, which is now no problem because I got a diesel heater, right? Now, been talking too much. The whole workshop stinks like diesel, and see you guys in the next one.